Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken dum biryani. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to achieving that perfect aromatic finish. This guide simplifies the process, ensuring you can create a delicious, restaurant-quality biryani right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this incredible dish. First, let's prepare the chicken. You'll need about 1 kilogram of chicken pieces. In a large bowl, mix the chicken with plain yogurt, a generous amount of ginger garlic paste, and a blend of spices like turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala. Ensure every piece is well coated. Marinate this mixture for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally, overnight in the refrigerator for maximum flavor absorption. Next, we prepare the rice and assemble the biryani. Partially cook your basmati rice until it's about 70% done. In a heavy-bottomed pot, create a base layer of the marinated chicken. Then, carefully layer the partially cooked rice over the chicken. You can add fried onions, fresh mint, and saffron milk between layers for extra aroma. Finally, seal the pot tightly to begin the dum cooking. After about 30 to 40 minutes of dum cooking on low heat, your chicken dum biryani is ready. Gently open the pot, and you'll be greeted with an incredible aroma. Garnish generously with crispy fried onions, fresh mint leaves, and chopped cilantro. Carefully mix the biryani from the bottom up to combine all the delicious layers before serving. For more amazing recipes and cooking tips, check the description below for links and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade biryani.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.